So it's 3 steps. 1, off to the back, straight back to forward. Find your comfortable spot right here and catch balance. You're all on your back leg. The biggest part to keeping everything tight is right here when you break your back leg, you're moving forward, everything has to stay in it. It's less you have to move towards home plate. Here is the keeping the shoulder closed part. When you come here, you're balanced, you can even talk to somebody right now. You're that comfortable. When you break towards home, everything goes on your back leg, and you keep this closed towards home. You keep this closed. Boom, towards home, okay? And then everything comes into the body and keep it closed. Why? If I come here and I lead and I open my shoulder before I go home, if I open my shoulder, I'm going home. Look at this. Now I'm dragging everything back and there's no push left behind me. If I keep everything closed, I'm still on my back leg, I'm still close, and then I slam it down, keeping everything closed. Right at this point, at 3/4 point, you better make sure you're in line. And if you notice towards the end, when I bring my arm in, this is your drive to home. This. This. Everything stays in line. So from the side, it would be here, here, so much so that I could look at you. Here, here, here. Break it, and then drive. It's all drive here. That's why running, getting your cardio, your leg strength, it saves your arm. Everything is here. Break your leg and drive. After the drive, landing directly in line, the follow through will give you the turn, the pop, follow through is the biggest part, which you already learned from doing this, your first move of the day. Your follow through will bring you everything. When you see pitchers walking around and doing this, holding the ball, doing whatever, it's not to look cool, it's to feel the ball, to know where it is, to know what you have. You're not going to look down. It's to get familiar with the ball, to learn how to get the snap, the spin. You have to get familiar with the ball. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Huge. You have to keep water going to the muscles. That's why you cramp. Afterwards, you need to stay hydrated. Also, stretch. All day before you pitch, you're checking your inventory. You're loosening yourself. You're realizing what you're working with before you even come out on the field. Keep your shoulder closed so you have drive. Watch Tom Seaver videos on his drive. His leg is filthy because he gets that low and goes towards home. Can't do it any better.